Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a profile picture to your ASKfm account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen and then click on the profile icon in the upper left corner. After that you should tap on this profile picture button next to your username on the left side and tap on upload profile picture, which is the second option. And here you have two options. You can either take a picture with your phone by tapping on the camera icon or option, or you can also select picture from your library, so tap on the relevant one. If you choose the first option, you will be required to allow the application to have access to your camera and then take the picture. Tap on continue and tap on OK if you would like to add this selfie to your pictures, and then it will be updated automatically, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.